Being with AI is going to completely change what people can expect from search. I'm excited for the users to have choice finally and a real competitive race out there.
The competition between Google and Microsoft is fierce, as each company strives to be the best in AI search engine supremacy. But who will come out on top? That is yet to be determined, as both companies are still in the early stages of implementation. Google has recently revealed Bard, an AI assistant that it hopes to incorporate into its search engine, making it more conversational and user-friendly. Meanwhile, Microsoft has implemented AI technology into its Bing search engine, as well as its Microsoft Edge browser, bringing users a co-pilot experience. It all started in 2019 when Microsoft invested $1 billion in OpenAI and released the products Codex and DALL-E. In response, Google increased its investment in Anthropic to $300 million. Both tech giants have been investing in startups and have made major acquisitions, with Microsoft investing in companies like GitHub, Skype, and LinkedIn, and Google adding DeepMind, Verily, Nest, Waymo and Anthropic to the list.
Like developing the Transformer, which set the stage for much of the generative AI activity we see today. We're committed to continuing to bring these technologies to the world in a responsible way that benefits everyone. This is the journey we've been on with large language models, which can make engaging with technology more natural and conversational.
ChatGPT, the popular AI platform created by OpenAI, has become a target for the tech giants, with Google claiming their artificial intelligence models are comparable. The stakes are high as we enter the AI war, and both companies are looking to perfect current models and create something revolutionary. So the question remains, who will emerge as the greatest artificial intelligence champion?
We've been working on something we think is pretty special. We're going to reimagine the search engine, the web browser, and new chat experiences into something we think of as your co-pilot for the web. At the center of this new co-pilot experience is an all-new Bing search engine and Edge web browser. You're going to notice some subtle but important changes. First, we have an expanded search box capable of accepting up to 1,000 characters, because now Bing works with natural language. And you saw a little hint to chat. With one click, you are now into chat. Bing knows the context, and it just goes in and refires the queries. Bing can generate the content to help you get started. And with a simple request, just basically say, hey, translate it to Spanish. Bing knows to take that entire email and itinerary and convert that into Spanish. In fact, Bing can translate automatically in over 100 languages. We've just updated Edge with a new look and feel and new AI capabilities. As you can see here, it's sleeker, it's lighter, and you're going to notice now that we've integrated Bing in a really cool new way. All of these amazing new capabilities in what we think is a revolutionary new experience. World-class search, the ability to actually get answers to your questions, made easy with integrated chat, and the ability to generate content when you need it to spark your imagination. Brought to you not only when you're searching, but everywhere on the web, courtesy of the new Edge browser.
Back at I/O in 2021, we unveiled our Lambda AI model, a breakthrough in conversational technology. Next, we're bringing Lambda to an experimental conversational AI service, which we fondly call Bard. You'll be able to interact with Bard to explore complex topics, collaborate in real time, and get creative new ideas. For example, let's say you're in the market for a new car, one that's a good fit for your family. Bard can help you think through different angles to consider, from budget to safety and more, and simplify and make sense of them. Bard's suggestion to consider fuel type might spark your curiosity, so you can ask it to explain the pros and cons of buying an electric car and get helpful insights. We all know that once you buy a new car, you'll have to plan a road trip. Bard can help you plan your road trip so you can take your new car out for a spin. You might ask Bard to help you find scenic routes interesting places to stop along the way, and fun things to do when you and your family get to your destination. Bard seeks to combine the breadth of the world's knowledge with the power, intelligence, and creativity of our large language models. It draws in information from the web to provide fresh, high-quality responses. We're releasing Bard initially with our lightweight model version of Lambda. This much smaller model needs significantly less computing power, which means we'll be able to scale it to more users and get more feedback. We just took our next big step by opening Bard up to trusted testers this week. We'll continue to use feedback from internal and external testing to make sure it meets the high bar, our high bar for quality, safety, and groundedness before we launch it more broadly. Human curiosity is endless, and for many years, we've helped remove roadblocks to information so you can follow your curiosity wherever it takes you, from learning more about a topic to understanding a variety of viewpoints. People often turn to Google for quick, factual answers, like what is a constellation? Already today, we give you fast answers for straightforward queries like these. But for many questions, there's no one right answer, what we call NORA queries. Questions like, what are the best constellations to look for when stargazing? For questions like those, you probably want to explore a diverse range of opinions or perspectives and be connected to the expansive wisdom of the web. That's why we bring in the magic of generative AI directly to your search results. So soon, if you ask, what are the best constellations to look for when stargazing? New generative AI features will help us organize complex information and multiple viewpoints right in search results. With this, you'll be able to quickly understand the big picture and then go on to explore different angles. So say this new information on constellations piques your interest. You can dig deeper, for instance, to learn what time of year is best to see them and explore further on the web.
Google Bard has already been hit with a major setback, as its first attempt at answering a simple question about the first image of an exoplanet went wrong. According to The Independent, Bard incorrectly stated that the 2020 launched James Webb Space Telescope was the first to capture the image when in reality the ESA's Very Large Telescope captured the image back in 2003.
The showcase wasn't necessarily what people were expecting. I spoke to a couple of SEO experts about this who follow Google like it's their job because it is. And what they were saying is that the showcase really reiterated and expanded on features that already existed. One example of this is the Search Your Screen feature for Google Lens, and that was talked about by the company as being in beta back in 2021. So a lot of stuff that's being expanded, but not a lot that's new. And the last thing that's maybe worth noting is that the presentation itself was kind of on Google-like in certain ways. One analyst I saw was using the word underwhelming, and an SEO expert I was talking to actually just outside the studio. The story is developing so fast that I was talking to him and got this quote from him literally 5 minutes ago. What he said that I thought was really profound was, we wanted to see something that was a game changer, and instead what we ended up with was them talking about subtleties.
Microsoft, however, has a slight edge in the competition, as it has already released an AI-powered preview of Bing.com to the public. Additionally, Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI has opened up a world of possibilities for its artificial intelligence projects. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella thinks his company's AI tools are going to destroy Google's moat, and he publicly stated that search margins are going to drop forever. Google is still holding its ace up its sleeve with Bard, but its recent mistake has caused its share prices to take a hit. It remains to be seen who will come out on top in the AI search engine race, as both Google and Microsoft continue to make advancements in their respective AI technologies. Right now, Google is the leader in search with 84% worldwide market share, while Bing is at 8.95%. However, Microsoft is demonstrating AI chatbot features in Bing, while Google has only shown its AI capabilities in a video. As things stand now, both Google and Microsoft are still in the early stages of implementing AI into their search engines. With the two massive tech companies at the center of the competition, both striving for AI supremacy, the future of search engine technology looks bright. You can sign up for the Microsoft Bing waitlist simply by going to bing.com/new and click Join the waitlist. If you want to receive access even faster, there are a few extra steps you can take. However, Google has not specified how to get into a waitlist or when the new Bard AI will be available for testing.
So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and exciting. Remember, while you wait for Google Bard or Microsoft Bing to be released, you can try out Jasper AI and take advantage of its incredible features. Plus, by using the link in the description, you'll also receive 10,000 credits for free. This is an offer you don't want to miss out on. So, go ahead and click that link, sign up for Jasper AI, and start exploring its amazing capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest tech news and reviews.